everyone, it's Miss Ha, and I'm in my temporary dark space science lab. And we've been learning all about different systems in our body, starting with our plastic-free lunch day, learning about what's on your plate. We were learning about our digestive system, which helps us absorb nutrients, use the energy we need from food, and eliminate waste. We also learned about the respiratory system, which includes our lungs and breathing and our air passageways. We also learned about our circulatory system, with our heart being the boss of that system. And most recently, we learned about our nervous system. And today, I'm going to talk to you about a system that maybe you've heard doctors talk about, maybe you've heard about on the news, maybe you've even heard on like a commercial about keeping your body healthy. And that system is called our immune system. Can you say immune system? And our immune system has a couple of functions, a lot of functions actually, but I'm going to tell you the simple ones. And one is that it protects us. And it keeps us healthy. When we have a strong immune system, our body works exactly the way that it's supposed to. If we get hurt, our body heals. If there's a sickness that's going around, if we have a really strong immune system, we might not get sick. We might just stay healthy and not catch that sickness if our immune system is that strong. Because that's what its job is. It protects us and it keeps us healthy. And the stronger and healthier our immune system is, the better that we feel, the more energy that we have, the more fit that we are. So I want to talk to you a bit about it because we've been learning all about different systems, and it's actually a system made up of systems that we've already learned about. So that includes our respiratory system. And remember, our respiratory system is in charge of breathing. And you've probably heard during this pandemic that the coronavirus, or COVID-19, as you've heard it called, it affects our lungs. It's actually affecting the way people breathe. So it's affecting their respiratory system, which is a part of our immune system. We also know that the respiratory system, immune system, is also made of our circulatory system. And our circulatory system, like we learned in our last lesson, is connected to, in the center, my heart. And my heart and my lungs are actually connected too. My lungs are taking in the oxygen through my air passageways, my nostril or my mouth, going down my trachea to my lungs, and it delivers that oxygen to the heart because the lungs and the heart are connected, which many of you have already communicated in your responses. And my heart pumps blood all around my body, right? It pumps blood everywhere, including my toes, my knees, my elbows, my fingers, and my brain. Everywhere in my body needs blood, and everywhere in my body needs oxygen. And oxygen is in the air that we breathe, and we get that into our blood through our heart circulating it all around. The other system that we talked about is our nervous system. And remember, our nervous system is made of one of our most important organs, our brain, our spinal cord, and all the nerves around. And we talked about how the nervous system is actually also in charge of how we feel, right? And our nervous system is also related to a word that you might hear a lot of grown-ups use, actually. And our nervous system is related to stress. How we feel, we might feel happy, relaxed, or we might feel stressed and nervous and anxious and worried. And when we're feeling stressed, that actually affects our nervous system, how we feel, right? And our brain. And that affects our immune system. When we're stressed, our immune system cannot work as well. And our immune system protects us. It keeps us healthy. But if we're stressed, that affects our nervous system, and that affects our immune system, and that affects our health. So when we're stressed, that's actually affecting our health and our body. And these systems work together. The nervous system works with the circulatory system, right? Because when we're feeling calm and relaxed, we notice a nice slow heart rate. And when we feel a little anxious and worried, it can speed up. It can also speed up when we're exercising, right? And that's important. That helps our circulatory system. And our respiratory system and circulatory system also connected. And think about how our respiratory system and our nervous system are connected, right? The way that we feel and the stress that we experience can also be changed when we breathe. So we're experiencing that with our breathing spirit guide in the other videos. And I want to let you know that all these systems work together to make our immune system, and our immune system protects us. I want to let you know something else. The immune system also includes your skin, which protects things from coming into our bloodstream and our bodies. It also includes our stomach acid, like we learned about in our digestive system, because that stomach acid breaks down food, but also kills bacteria. So the immune system is very complex. It's very important. We all have one, and it protects us and keeps us healthy. I can't wait to learn about what you learn about the immune system, because there's actually so much. So I want to know, what 3 structures would you like to communicate about the immune system? Which parts? There's so many to choose from. And what are their functions? What do they do? How do they help protect us? How do they keep us strong? If you want to talk about the lungs keeping us healthy, or the heart, or your skin, or other parts, I want to hear about that. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear your response all about the immune system. Bye!